Welcome back to another adventure of Rush Outdoors. Another bothy this week, bit more local to home, with this reprobate again. Stunning area, let's go and have some fun. A little bit blustery. I do love this area, it's one of my favourite areas of the Carneddau. And it's been nearly 2 years I think since I last came to this bothy. But we're armed with fuel for the fire, some beers, and hoping for a whole host of fun. Maybe meet some new strangers. Right, let's keep going. Looking across to Castle, up to Drum and Full Frass. The last of the Welsh 3000 when you do that route. Full Crack now come into view. It's a decent path, this one. From the car park to the bothy, it's about a 3-mile walk, and if you stay to this path, easy to find and easy to get to. Mark's making his way and cutting across to pick the path up over there, just because it's a bit easier for him and he's still hanging from last night. Hello sheepy. I'm going to stay to the path, follow it round and drop down, only because I can get my steps in and do the full 3 mile. And there it is, Dulyn Bothy. I can see a couple of figures on the path leaving that way, just heading towards tree line or the trees. And there is the bothy, Dulyn Bothy. And see a couple of figures heading towards them trees, walking out. I wonder how many people will turn up today. So this area is known as Dulyn, and it's in the northern Carneddau, and ponies everywhere. There's one. Some more wild Carneddau ponies there. Looks like there's a couple of young ones as well. Lovely. Upping the pace a little bit, because as you can see, the clag's dropped over Mellinclin Lake. I just gotta go round and drop down. Like I say, step the pace up now, get there before this rain just starts dropping heavy. The old quarry building, so I've got some of the turning machines in there, and the wheels should still be in there. They look magnificent. You can probably just make out the route I've taken to get to where I am. Only a short distance now, so I'm just passing Mellinclin, the first of the twin lakes as they're also known up here. Here's some decent wild camp spots here as well. Some nice flat pitches. Quite stony as well. So I'm just looking down over the Bothy now. Just got to drop down to it. I'm not seeing any movement in there yet or around it. It's not to say that there won't be people in there. It's one of the more popular Bothys. Although I have been here a couple of times where there's been very few people in. Right, let's get down out this wind and rain. Dulyn. Right, the Bothy's just there. That's what I'm going to head for before any more rain comes. Neighbours are about. More ponies down there. Hello? Well, I am in shock. I am in shock. Nobody here. Oh wow. I'll burn that after, get rid of that rubbish. There's always loads of condiments and bits left here. I've accidentally left stuff here before now. Never to be seen again. Happy days. Right, bag drop. Hello, do you come in often?
Now and again.
I'm gobsmacked as well. Not a soul in here.
Nice and exciting.
It is, yeah. Best bit of the Bothy. Part is lightening the load. 10k of coal. I put my beers outside because it's a bit warm. They're a bit warm. Fair play. Nice and wide pad.
The new stove,
Hey,
New stove.
new stove.
Yeah. You don't know it?
No. And I'll have a look in a sec. I'm just gonna blow my bed up. Oh no. For the fee. Again, brought the Fathom 400 synthetic sleeping bag. Just fits a bit easier in a bag. Ideal for the Bothys. If we'd have been wild camping, I probably would have kept the Alf kick down bag in, to be honest. But this is more than suitable. Again, I've got the Alkit Drift pillow along with my flex tail as well. I just don't like putting the flex tail on the wider pads out of fear of puncturing them. It's the same with the flex tail pad that I've got that you've seen in previous videos. But I will pull them both up, get them ready. See now where? Let's blow marks, what we're in, I suppose.
I'm cooking this duck.
Maybe not. I will get my down jacket out and just let it fluff up for after. So there's the mat, the OEX Flux 7.2 again. Same as last week, the OEX Fathom 400, the Alkit Drift sleeping pillow. I've also got the flex tail pillow underneath there. I'm just reluctant to put that band around and puncture anything. And there's Mark's mat, super large Thermarest Neo Air Venture. I'm still shocked that nobody is here. Let's have a look. We've got a feast to be made for tonight, some duck and pancakes, and then some burgers later on for tea. Nice, been left nice and clean for us, and yeah. Need the wind. Well, we don't need the wind to do anything now we're inside. Chef Lloyd pulling it out the bag again. Some duck and hoisin sauce for starters. Gonna be nice these. Might get some of that coal into this. Oh no, there's rubbish in there. Why would they do that? Another fire going. I was going to put some of that coal into there, but now looking into there, it's just a load of rubbish and a handle from the saw. Idiots. Shocked at how quiet it is in here. Just Mark and myself. Mark's having a bit of a lie down, bit of a relax. Seeing as he had a skinful last night. Getting himself up for after, I think. We got here just in time. Look at all that out there now. Horrendous. gone lovely out here now. Still a bit windy. And still nobody else turned up, although about 5 minutes ago a fell runner stopped by. Didn't know what a bothy was. Nice guy. Nearly 7 o'clock and we've still got it to ourselves, which is unheard of for Dulyn Bothy. Not that we're complaining. Yeah.
So it's free on top of this one.
These burgers are lush.
That would be me not going home for like 2 weekends in a row.
Yeah, do I?
It's nice though.
Yeah, it's nice. So the fucking bolts are there.
So we weren't alone in the end. Sparky Marky. Do you want to introduce yourself from your YouTube channel?
You're right, I'm Joe.
Grant.
Hello, I'm Jake.
3 nice lads that have turned up later on. They've been up climbing a Withver or Snowdon to most in some outrageous weather, and they've brought with them a load more wood, so it meant that I wasn't snuggling Mark all night. Nice and toasty, having a good chat. Happy days. Great night last night. 3 great guys. Gonna have some breakfast and tidy up and go.
Doing this overnight.
Breakfast.
Feels dry.
Bring you back there.
Leaving them for the next bothy goer. And see, everybody's cleaned up after themselves. Bothy's as spotless as we found it. Lads have still got a couple of bits to pack away there, but they'll take that. Mark's tidied all his stuff away. So we've just left the bothy. We're going to make our way back to the van. Cracking night, nice and chilled. 3 top blokes that we met. And luckily, no wet stuff yet. So it stays like this now for the rest of the day. Back down to the bothy now. Dulyn. If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't be a bad morning. See up against Carneddau and the dam that breached in 1920 something, 1918, 1920 something I think it was. It is beautiful round here. Well, that's it for another adventure. Thank everybody for all the likes, subscriptions, comments, etc. Does mean a lot. Thank you very much. Hope you're all still enjoying the content that's coming out. And see you on the next one.